Hey, I'm Mikey from Segway of Ontario, and I'm here with...
Speaker legend, Longtendo.
And today we're going to be testing out cruise mode on the MAX G3. Let's get started.
Okay, we're going to test the cruise mode. So, what we have to do is just keep acceleration. When you hit your mark, hold this M button to activate this cruise mode control. Cruise control on. Ooh. And I think we can probably brake. Yep, it turns off control mode and hold the M button. How fascinating. Okay, just cruise around. Here we go. Okay. Let's see, I'll just keep cruise mode. Okay. Cruise control. Cruise control on. Riding cruise mode. Oh, wow. This is amazing. So, and button without the cruise. Ooh, that feels amazing. All right, let's just continue with the cruise mode right here. Cruise mode. All right, throttle. Okay, we're just in the station. Pull this. Cruise mode. There we go. So we're down to 34. You can see without the throttle. And once you stop. And that's how to turn stop. Wow. I think it's time to go back. Here we go. Ooh, this bridge looks amazing. It's a piece of art. Alright, I think we just have to keep it control. Goes on, let them pass. And then cruise mode was just down 23 kilometers per hour. Yeah, for bike trails. Yep, I'm cruising. So, press the throttle, get this acceleration. Yeah, there's different features. So the M button, the throttle, and the brake. Cruise mode again. Down to 25. Acceleration. Then cruise mode. Stop the brakes.
And that's how you activate and deactivate cruise mode on the Max G3. Thank you so much to Longtendo for all his help in putting this video together. We really do appreciate it.
No mention. I knew the basics, just figure it out for my own sake.
Thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Segway of Ontario. And as always, I'm Mikey from Segway of Ontario.
Longtendo, stick a legend.
And we'll see you on the trails.